Hi there, welcome back to Build, Test, Reveal. Today we are going to show you a great, quick, easy and more importantly cheap fix that you can do yourself at home to get you back on your iPad, tablet or smartphone after the tragedy of a smashed screen.
Okay, so here is our iPad with a completely smashed screen. There are even a couple of holes on the borders. Now, obviously the best thing to do is to get this repaired with a new screen. But in the meantime, we still need constant use of our iPad. Now, as long as your touchscreen and display are still working, this fix will work for you. So here it is. Clear contact book cover. Just to note that we are not sponsored by or affiliated with any company. It's purely what works for us and we wanted to share our success with it. So the first thing is to clean the screen of any finger marks using a dry cloth and taking lots of care to avoid cutting yourself. Next, trace around the device onto the back of the contact. It helps to lean on a soft book as this makes marking the contact a whole lot easier. Then we cut out our shape like so. Starting from one corner, slowly press down, removing the back of the contact as you go. And there we have it. No more sharp hazards, and the bits of glass cannot fall out. Everything is still operational and swiping works perfectly.
If you like this video, please let us know by clicking the thumbs up. And if you'd like to be notified when we upload another video, please click the red button below. Bye for now.